Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Laila Pujimlati from the management class 21H. Here I will present the result of a scientific paper that I made with the title Implementation of Management Information System Business Organization. Definition: a management information system, also known as a management information system, is a system designed to collect, store, and disseminate data in the form of information needed to carry out various management functions. In its as has a system that can help employee performance in the company, so that the company does not need to take a long time in some of its business process. Basic concept of information system. Basic concept of information system. An information system is a system within an organization that brings together the daily transaction, processing needs that support managerial organization, operation function with the strategic activities of an organization in order to provide certain outside parties with the information needed for decision making. Implementation of management information system. Enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, transaction processing system, office automation system, knowledge work system, informatic management system, design support system, express system, and artificial intelligence, and group distribution support system, and computer support collaborative work system. Business function in the company: sales and marketing system, manufacturing and production system, finance and accounting system, and human resource system. Function of management information system: improve the accessibility of data that is present in a timely and accurate manner for user, without requiring the extension of a information system intermediary, acquiring and the available of quality and skill and critical use of information system, develop of effective planning process, identify the need for information system support skill, information system obstacles, managerial constraint, human resource constraint, organizational cultural constraint, technical obstacles. Information system challenge, information system investment challenge, business strategic challenge, challenge of globalization, information technology infrastructure challenge, responsibility and oversight challenge, ethics and oversight. Conclusion: information technology is facilities consistent of hardware and software to support and improve the quality of information for every level of sociality quality. And with quality, the future of information technology is that information technology will be affected by the feeling phrase and the increasing power of computer and communication. The power of communication is measured by the transmission speed, which is the amount of data that is communicated in a certain time. Data consisting of facts and figures in general default to use because of its large volume and has not been processed. The free computer system process data related to viral, inventory, billing, and large transition. New used a more general term, transaction processing system. These systems have something in common, namely that all them process data that reflect the company activities. Solution: one thing must be clear, security and control must become a firmer priority, and investment in information system or emphasis in place on the overall planning process of the organization. Coordinating and planning the company overall, security in business planning demonstrate that security is important to the success of the business as all other business functions. Support and commitment from top management is needed to demonstrate that security is a priority for the company and important to all aspects of the business. Security and control is never a top priority unless there is awareness of the importance of security from the company. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.